Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when GoPro is not turning on. So the first step is to press and hold the power button. You have to press and hold it for maybe 10 to 15 seconds, and that should fix it, but still not working. In that case, you can press and hold this record power button and the record button simultaneously for maybe 10 to 15 seconds, and then you can check. Still not working. In that case, you can plug in the power cable to GoPro. So open this cover and then plug in the power cable and keep it plugged in for 30 minutes to 60 minutes. So after if you're using it after 2 or 3 months or maybe 6 months, then in that case you have to keep it plugged in for maybe 30 to 60 minutes. In my case, it started working after 30 minutes. So keep it plugged in. When you keep it plugged in, you will see over here, you will see this light. So this will come after 30 minutes or maybe 45 minutes. So just keep it plugged in for 30 to 60 minutes. Still not working. In that case, the next step is to remove this battery from your GoPro, and you can even remove this SD card, and then you can plug in the power cable. Now once plugged in, now you can try to turn it on, and here you can see it's turning on without the SD card and the battery, and here you can see USB connected. So you can try this. Still not working. So let me plug in the battery back to the GoPro, and then let me insert the SD card. Try different wall socket. So try to sometimes if there is any problem with the wall socket, you can try different wall socket, and then you can connect the power cable. Now you check if you can see this power light, and then you can turn it on. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to fix this problem. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.